In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Base44 account. If you find this video useful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. Begin by opening your web browser and heading to the BizTrack section on Base44's website. Ensure that you are properly logged into your account so that you can access the full dashboard. This initial page serves as your control center where you have an overview of your current settings and can begin making changes. Once you have reached the dashboard, direct your attention to the icon labeled with BizTrack. This icon features a drop-down menu that, when clicked, will reveal additional options to manage your account. Look for the drop-down icon positioned near the top of the screen. Clicking this icon is crucial because it opens up a range of choices that will allow you to modify your account settings. This interface is designed to be intuitive and is organized so that each function is easily accessible. After the drop-down menu is revealed, the next step is to click on the option labeled App Settings. This section is where you will be able to perform more advanced configurations, including the ability to remove your account if desired. As you click on App Settings, the screen will transition to a new set of options specifically related to your application's configurations. This page is filled with various settings, and among them, you will eventually find the option to delete your account. Now that you are within the app settings, take the time to scroll down until you reach the section dedicated to account management. Scrolling down allows you to see all available options, including those that are not immediately visible when the page first loads. As you move downward, you will notice that the layout may change or additional sections may appear to guide you further along the deletion process. Continue to observe the screen carefully until all relevant settings have been displayed. At the bottom of this page, you will find the Delete App button. This is the final control you need to interact with in order to delete your account from the Base44 system through BizTrack. It is important to note that clicking the Delete App button is a decisive action that initiates the account removal process. The system may prompt you for confirmation to ensure that this action is indeed intentional, thereby preventing accidental deletion. Follow any on-screen instructions carefully to confirm your decision and finalize the account deletion process. By following these steps, you have successfully navigated the Base44 platform to delete your account. Each part of this process is designed to be straightforward and secure, ensuring that you are in full control of your account settings. Take your time to verify your choices before confirming the deletion, as the changes made are significant and might be irreversible. Thank you for following along with this guide, and we trust that this clear explanation has provided you with a practical solution to account management on the BizTrack platform.